in a style that aims to capture the essence and majesty of Psalm 9, reformulated poetically. To God above, he lifts his sigh, with heart ablaze, his praises ring. Of God's great deeds, he loves to sing. In Zion's halls, God's throne does shine. His rule declared in every line, the nations hear, his justice fair, his reign proclaimed, his mercy rare. For those oppressed in darkest night, God's ear attends, his heart takes flight from gates of death. He lifts them high and grants them hope beneath the sky. But foes arise with wicked schemes. Their plots confound, their pride redeems. In God's own court, they'll have their due. His justice swift, his mercy true. So let us raise our voices high in joyful praise to God Most High, for he who hears the afflicted's plea will reign forever and set us free.